75% of Amazon shoppers will not scroll down till here to purchase your product. So, how can you go from here to the very top to dominate your competitors? Well, all the sellers want to reach the top position for any keyword consumers search for. But it's not a piece of cake. Yet, with the right approach, you can definitely beat your competitors and rank higher. But how? Be patient, my friend. This is your host Hasan from Ecomclips. Today I am gonna reveal the secrets to ranking higher for any keywords on Amazon. At the same time, I will show you how you should do the keyword research properly for your products. So let's begin with the first step. Identify your main competitors. There might be more or less 500 products on Amazon that are similar to yours. But from those 500, how many do you think are exactly like your product? For example, this is the product we sell on Amazon. Basically, it's a pair of work boots, so when a customer searches with this keyword, technically we are competing with all of the products on this page. But you cannot confirm all of these products are completely the same to us. Now coming back to our listing, we don't just sell work boots, but we sell Mahmudul work boots. And now it's more specific. Let's try to understand what else makes it more specific. Okay, here it is. It's comfortable, which makes it a bit more unique and specific. Also, it's only for men and it is specially for construction work. So, we have got our unique features. We can call them unique selling propositions. In other words, we can say these are the specific benefits or reasons that a customer would buy our product over the competition. Now, for identifying your competitors, you must pick the phrase that describes your product best. For us, it's Mahmudul work boots. But if you are not sure about yours, you can use Helium 10 to check the top keywords that shoppers are using to purchase your product. You can pick the highest volume keywords that make sense. Now you can search this keyword on Amazon and open the Helium 10 extension. You can copy or select the 9 ASINs that are your real competitors and are ranking in the top positions. Here, please make sure to skip the sponsored products and just copy the ones that are showing up organically for this keyword. Now search them in the Helium 10 Cerebro and click Get Keywords. Make sure that you input your product's ASIN at the top. This will now show you all the keywords that both you and your top competitors are ranking for. Please export this data. Before moving these keywords to the master list, please filter this Excel file. Because you will find some keywords here that are very generic, have lower search volume and are sometimes totally irrelevant to your product. Please don't waste your time and money by trying to rank those keywords. So give an in-depth check to all the keywords. Filter those keywords and remove all that are irrelevant. Then finalize your master list. Now let's talk about the second strategy, segment your keywords. When I say segment your keywords, what I mean is instead of creating one big master list, you can organize your keywords into separate groups for each of your unique selling propositions. In our case, these are the main ones: Mahmudul, comfortable, construction use, men's boot. So please group your keywords accordingly. Besides this, you will notice that we have another group also here. If you truly want to dominate your competitors, please make sure you have this group also. Let's start with high search volume. These are the highest search volume keywords from the master list that drive the most traffic to your product. In our case, we picked keywords that have more than 1000 search volume. Let's now get into the most important step, placing your keywords properly to rank higher. Now you need to make sure that you are using all the keywords in the right place of your listing to rank properly. First, try to understand what are the places you can use the keywords to rank higher. Title, bullet points, description, search terms. These are the common, but you can also utilize subject matter, alt text field and extra hidden fields like this. So you need to go to the backend and try to understand if we have any fields that will not be presented to the customers and will be used to index and rank for more keywords. Here you see we have 5 extra fields of description. Only the first one will be shown in the front end. The rest can be used to input more keywords. Same here for search terms. They also have 5 extra fields. You know, we have another video on it. Please check the I button to get to know more about it. But the main thing is try to use keywords in phrase form like man work boots. It means the wording should be exactly this order. not like work boots for men. I think you got the idea. And try to use the main keywords that you want to rank for frequently in all the fields. I know it's gonna be tough sometimes, but you need to analyze and find a proper way to use them in an organic way. And then there comes the main part, doing PPC for these keywords. Yes, that's right. It's because when you run PPC for any keyword for an ASIN, Amazon gives them a higher rank, and eventually after a certain time you will get a better position for that specific keyword. Now the final part, track your keywords ranking. Let me ask, do you know how many keywords are ranking for your product on page 1? You need to track both your organic and sponsored rank for each keyword that you targeted. Otherwise, you won't know where to improve. Now you can do it in two ways. One is by inputting all your keywords in the keyword tracker and checking them weekly. Or you can download all the keywords from Helium 10 and create a Google Sheet. Then put down all the keywords and then track the sponsored and organic rank at least twice a week. Based on this report, you can also adjust your advertising spend to rank for those keywords which are not performing well, and then you can dominate your competitors. Now, what will you do if one specific keyword is not performing well? Like here, this one. We don't have much improvement on this keyword over the few weeks. So you can do two things. One, check that keyword properly if it is used at least 2 places in your listing. And the second one, check the spending of this keyword. Then you can increase the budget or bids for this keyword if you really want to rank for this keyword. But you may ask, why should I spend that much money on a specific keyword? The answer is pretty simple. Because with it, after a certain time, you will rank for that keyword organically. Then you can reduce your spending or even stop spending any money on it. So this way, you can compete with your competitors and beat them and take their position. How cool is that? Pretty cool, I think. I believe you learned something new today. If you need further help, please feel free to comment us, and you can email us info@ecomclips.com. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. See you soon in another awesome video like this one. Thank you.